Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the DXZ 2025 A4 DTF printer with roll feeder, a high-speed direct-to-film solution perfect for custom apparel printing. Click the link below for the best price. If you're starting a t-shirt business or upgrading your current setup, the DXZ 2025 A4 DTF printer is an absolute game changer. It's designed to deliver professional quality prints with speed, consistency, and minimal maintenance. And best of all, it comes bundled with a curing oven and 2 years worth of ink, making this one of the best value DTF printing packages available right now. Let's begin with the heart of the machine, the XP600 Printhead. Unlike older L1800 or L805 models, the XP600 offers double the printing speed, drastically cutting down your production time. Whether you're fulfilling bulk orders or doing quick one-offs, this printer gets the job done fast, without sacrificing detail or color. It supports A4 size DTF film, making it compact enough for home studios while still giving you plenty of room for full front t-shirt graphics, logo batches, or gang sheets. Plus, the included roll feeder allows for continuous printing, which saves time and reduces manual handling, especially during long runs. Print quality is sharp and vibrant thanks to the CMYK Plus white ink system. Your colors pop, and your whites are rich and opaque, perfect for both dark and light fabrics. This makes it great for t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and a wide range of garments. A standout feature is the built-in white ink stirring and circulation system. This helps prevent clogging, ensuring smoother operation and reducing downtime for maintenance. It's especially important for DTF workflows where white ink is essential and tends to settle quickly in other systems. The process is simple and beginner-friendly. Print your design on film, apply hot melt powder, cure it with the included oven, and press it onto fabric with a heat press. No pretreatment is needed, and the transfers are stretchable, vibrant, and long-lasting on cotton, polyester, blends, and more. The included oven ensures even, professional curing of the adhesive powder, an important step that affects the durability and finish of your transfers. It's compact, reliable, and designed to match the printer's output speed. Another massive advantage of this bundle is the 2-year ink supply that's included. That means you're ready to go for hundreds, even thousands of prints without needing to restock ink, which significantly lowers your operational costs, especially for small businesses just getting started. In terms of software, the DXZ 2025 is compatible with popular RIP programs, giving you control over color profiles, ink limits, and layout management. You can easily fine-tune your output for every type of design and garment. To sum it all up, the DXZ 2025 A4 DTF printer is a fast, reliable, and affordable printing solution that includes everything you need to launch or grow your custom apparel business. With the high-speed XP600 head, white ink circulation system, roll feeder, curing oven, and 2 years of ink, you're fully equipped to start printing professional quality designs right out of the box. Click the link below for the best price and supercharge your garment printing business with the DXZ 2025 DTF Printer Bundle.